Keeping your space tidy doesn't have to be an exhausting task, especially when you know a few clever, low-effort strategies. We're sharing 10 brilliant cleaning shortcuts that are perfect if you're a senior, have limited mobility, or manage chronic pain. These straightforward, impactful tips are designed to conserve your energy, ease physical stress, and keep your home spotless without the usual toil. Pay special attention to tip Hashite. It's a powerful, simple change that can revolutionize your cleaning approach. If you enjoy smart, practical advice that improves daily life, please give this video a like and share your best cleaning secret in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more valuable home and life hacks. Ready to simplify your cleaning routine? Let's dive into the first tip. Hack number 1. Rinse dishes immediately, save time and effort. Doing the dishes can feel like a never-ending chore. But what if one small habit could make it much easier? Many people let plates and utensils sit in the sink, allowing food to dry and harden. This turns a simple task into a frustrating scrubbing session. The good news: there's an effortless way to avoid all that hassle. Instead of waiting, rinse your dishes right after eating. A quick rinse under warm water removes food residue before it sticks. For even better results, fill a small basin with warm, soapy water and let used plates, cups, and utensils soak. Later, when you're ready to wash, everything wipes off effortlessly, no heavy scrubbing needed. Margaret, an 80-year-old widow, used to spend over 30 minutes struggling to clean stuck-on food after dinner. But once she started soaking her dishes immediately, her washing time was cut in half. Now she enjoys her evening tea while her dishes soak, and cleaning them later is quick and painless. Even if you use a dishwasher, a simple wipe down with a damp towel before loading prevents food from hardening, making the entire process easier. This small shift in routine can save you time, energy, and frustration every day. Try it and you'll never go back to scrubbing dried food again. Ready for the next game-changing hack? Let's move on. Hack number 2. Transfer cleaning products. Into small bottles make cleaning easier. Heavy cleaning product bottles can be difficult to handle, especially for those with arthritis or limited hand strength. Lifting large containers, squeezing stiff spray triggers, or pouring from bulky jugs can quickly become exhausting. But there's a simple way to make cleaning much more manageable. Instead of using oversized bottles, transfer your most used cleaning solutions into smaller, lightweight spray bottles. This makes them easier to grip, control, and carry from room to room. A smaller bottle reduces hand strain and prevents accidental spills, making cleaning feel effortless. John, a 72-year-old retiree, found himself avoiding household cleaning because gripping large bottles was painful. Once he switched to smaller spray bottles, he noticed an immediate difference. Now he keeps a small bottle of multi-purpose cleaner in every room, allowing him to wipe down surfaces without lugging around heavy containers. For an even simpler solution, try using pre-moistened cleaning wipes for quick cleanups. If you prefer natural cleaners, mix equal parts vinegar and water in a small spray bottle. Lightweight, effective, and easy to use. By making this small change, you'll reduce hand fatigue, simplify cleaning, and keep your home fresh with minimal effort. Ready for the next hack? Let's keep going. Hack number 3. Use microfiber cloths for faster, easier dusting. Dusting can feel like an endless battle. Just when you think you're done, the dust comes right back. Many traditional dusters and cloths don't actually trap dust. They just push it around, making you work harder than necessary. But here's a simple switch that makes all the difference. Microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are designed with ultrafine fibers that grab dust, dirt, and even bacteria without spreading them into the air. This means you don't need to keep wiping the same spot over and over. They're also incredibly soft, so they won't scratch delicate surfaces like glass, wood, or electronics. Unlike feather dusters, which tend to scatter dust back into the air, microfiber cloths lock it in, making cleaning more efficient. For seniors dealing with arthritis or limited mobility, microfiber cloths make cleaning much easier. They require very little pressure, so there's no need for excessive scrubbing. A simple swipe picks up dust in one go. And for those hard-to-reach places, try wrapping a microfiber cloth around a broom handle and securing it with a rubber band. This way, you can clean ceiling fans, high shelves, and door frames without straining yourself or climbing a ladder. Helen, 78, used to struggle with dusting because of her arthritis. But after switching to microfiber cloths, her routine became effortless. I used to dread dusting because my hands would ache afterward. Now, I barely have to press, and my home stays cleaner longer. Another great tip: slightly dampen the microfiber cloth before wiping. This helps attract even more dust and eliminates the need for chemical sprays. After use, just toss the cloth in the washing machine and reuse it. Make the switch to microfiber today and enjoy a cleaner home with half the effort. Hack number 4. Use baking soda. A natural, safe, and effective cleaner. Hack number 4. Use baking soda, a natural, safe, and effective cleaner. Baking soda is one of the most versatile, budget-friendly cleaning agents available, and it's a lifesaver for seniors who want to clean home without using harsh chemicals. Unlike traditional cleaners that require scrubbing and strong chemicals, baking soda does the hard work for you with minimal effort. How to use it effectively. Kitchen grease fighter. Sprinkle baking soda on a damp sponge and easily remove tough stains and grease from countertops, stovetops, and even the microwave. Let it sit for a few minutes on greasy spots and then simply wipe away. Eliminate fridge odors. Place an open box in your refrigerator to absorb unpleasant smells, keeping food fresher longer. Tile and grout cleaner. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a paste. Spread it on dirty grout lines, let it sit for 15 minutes, and wipe clean with minimal scrubbing. Carpet deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda over rugs and carpets, let it sit for 20 minutes, then vacuum. It neutralizes odors and refreshes fabrics. Fabric softener alternative. Adding half a cup to your laundry naturally softens clothes, making towels fluffier and fresher without artificial chemicals. Unexpected bonus. Did you know baking soda can also unclog slow drains? Just pour a cup of it down the drain, followed by vinegar, and let it fizz. Rinse with hot water and enjoy a clog-free sink. For seniors with arthritis or respiratory sensitivities, baking soda offers a chemical-free way to keep the home clean with minimal strain. Try it today and make cleaning easier than ever. Hack number 5. Organize laundry baskets to save energy. Laundry may seem simple, but for many seniors, constant bending, lifting, and sorting clothes can be exhausting. Back pain, joint stiffness, and limited mobility make this everyday chore a real challenge. But a simple change in how you organize laundry can make a huge difference. The problem: for years, you've probably done laundry the same way, waiting until the hamper is full, then bending over repeatedly to sort clothes into different loads. This not only wastes time, but also puts unnecessary strain on your back and knees. The smart solution: pre-sort your laundry as you go. Use multiple baskets labeled for whites, colors, and delicates so that when laundry day arrives, everything is already organized and ready to wash. How to make this work for you? 3-basket system. Place separate bins in your bedroom or laundry area so clothes get sorted automatically. Rolling laundry cart. Instead of carrying a heavy basket, simply wheel your clothes to the washer. Raise the laundry baskets. Placing them on a small table or shelf prevents painful bending. Use a grabber tool. If mobility is an issue, a grabber stick can help pick up clothes from the floor effortlessly. Real-life success story. Grace, a 75-year-old grandmother, used to dread laundry day because bending down to sort clothes left her feeling stiff and exhausted. After switching to a 3-basket system and using a rolling cart, she now saves at least 20 minutes per load and feels much less strain on her body. Bonus tip: did you know that adding baking soda to your wash can naturally soften fabrics and remove odors? It's a chemical-free way to freshen your laundry while making it softer on your skin. Why this works: by reducing unnecessary movement, you save energy and avoid pain. Simple adjustments like these make everyday tasks easier so you can focus on the things you truly enjoy. Ready to make laundry day effortless? Try this trick today and feel the difference. Hack number 6. Use a folding laundry cart. No more heavy lifting. Carrying heavy laundry baskets can put strain on your back, shoulders, and knees, making laundry day feel exhausting. But there's an easier and safer way to transport clothes: a folding laundry cart with wheels. Instead of lifting and carrying a full basket, simply load your laundry into a lightweight rolling cart and wheel it effortlessly to the washer. This reduces strain on your body and makes moving laundry much more manageable. Josephine, a 78-year-old woman, struggled with carrying laundry down the hall due to arthritis in her hands. Once she started using a folding cart, she noticed an immediate difference. No more back pain or sore arms. Now she simply rolls her laundry to the washer, sorts her clothes with ease, and never feels exhausted afterward. For even more convenience, choose a cart with a sturdy handle and smooth rolling wheels. Some even come with removable baskets so you can easily transfer clothes to the dryer without lifting a thing. By switching to a laundry cart, you'll save your energy, protect your joints, and make laundry day effortless. Ready for the next time-saving cleaning hack? Let's keep going. Hack number 7. Use a light coat of dust. Spray, less dust, less work. Dusting can feel like an endless chore, especially if dust settles back onto surfaces quickly. Constant wiping can also be tiring, especially for those with arthritis or limited mobility. But there's an easy trick to keep surfaces dust-free for longer: dusting spray. Instead of dry dusting, apply a light coat of dusting spray to furniture, shelves, and other surfaces. This reduces dust buildup, making future cleaning faster and easier. A good dusting spray also repels dust, so you won't have to clean as often. Nancy, a 70-year-old woman with arthritis, used to struggle with dusting every other day. Once she started using a dust-repelling spray, she noticed a huge difference. Her furniture stayed clean for nearly a week, and dusting now takes half the time. For an even easier option, try using pre-treated dusting wipes. They trap dust without spreading it around, making cleaning even more effortless. By using a dusting spray, you'll reduce how often you need to clean, make dusting quicker, and keep your home looking fresh with minimal effort. Ready for the next simple but effective cleaning hack? Let's move on. Hack number 8. Break cleaning into smaller chunks. No more overwhelm. Cleaning an entire house in one day can feel overwhelming, especially if fatigue, joint pain, or mobility issues make long cleaning sessions difficult. But there's a simple way to keep your home tidy without exhausting yourself: breaking tasks into smaller chunks. Instead of spending hours cleaning all at once, spread tasks out over the week. Focus on one small area per day, wiping kitchen counters on Monday, vacuuming the living room on Tuesday, and dusting shelves on Wednesday. This way, your home stays clean without the stress of a deep cleaning marathon. Arthur, a 79-year-old man, used to get frustrated trying to clean everything at once. Now, he follows a 10-minute daily routine tackling one easy task each day. His home stays neat, and he never feels exhausted. To make it even easier, set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and clean only until the timer stops. This keeps tasks manageable and stress-free. By breaking cleaning into small daily tasks, you'll avoid exhaustion, keep your home consistently tidy, and make cleaning feel effortless. Ready for the next easy hack? Let's keep going. Hack number 9. Use small, easy-to-access trash bins. Less walking, less effort. Taking out the trash might seem like a simple task, but for seniors with mobility challenges, arthritis, or chronic pain, it can be surprisingly difficult. Walking back and forth to a single large trash bin multiple times a day can be tiring, and lifting or carrying heavy trash bags can put unnecessary strain on your back, shoulders, and knees. But a small change can make a huge difference: placing multiple small trash bins throughout your home. Instead of keeping just one main trash bin in the kitchen, place small, lightweight bins in key locations: the living room, bedroom, bathroom, and even near your favorite chair. This means you can quickly and effortlessly dispose of trash without taking extra steps across the house. When the small bins are full, they can be emptied all at once, making cleanup much easier. Rose, a 78-year-old woman, used to struggle with carrying heavy trash bags to the kitchen multiple times a day. She would often put off cleaning up small messes because she didn't want to walk all the way to the trash can. But after placing small bins in every room, she found that tidying up became quick and effortless. Now, she only needs to empty them once or twice a week, reducing both effort and strain on her body. For even more convenience, consider these tips. Use trash bins with foot pedals to avoid bending down, which can be tough on the back and knees. Opt for small, light trash bags that are easier to carry and tie up. Keep a roll of replacement bags inside the bin so changing them is fast and easy. If taking out the trash is difficult, consider biodegradable bags that can be quickly tied up and disposed of without hassle. With this simple adjustment, you'll reduce unnecessary walking, keep your space cleaner, and make daily cleaning far more manageable. The next cleaning hack is just as simple and life-changing. Let's move on. Hack number 10. Keep a consistent cleaning routine a little each day. Keeps the mess away. Cleaning can feel overwhelming, especially when chores pile up over time. Many seniors struggle with fatigue, joint pain, or mobility issues, making it hard to deep clean in one go. The key to avoiding exhaustion: a simple, consistent cleaning routine that spreads out tasks over the week. Instead of waiting for dirt and clutter to accumulate, spend just 10 to 15 minutes each day on one small task. This method ensures that cleaning never becomes a huge burden while keeping your home fresh and organized. Why it works: prevents mess from piling up, reducing the need for exhausting deep cleans. Makes cleaning manageable, even for those with limited mobility or arthritis. Saves time and effort. Small, frequent cleaning sessions are much easier than marathon cleaning days. How to build an easy routine. Charles, a 73-year-old retiree, used to let chores stack up and spend his weekends exhausted from cleaning. Now he follows a gentle, low-effort system that keeps his home tidy without stress. Monday, light dusting in the living room. Tuesday, wipe down kitchen counters and appliances. Wednesday, quick vacuuming or sweeping. Thursday, clean the bathroom sink and toilet. Friday, change bed sheets and declutter one small area. Each task takes less than 15 minutes, but his home stays fresh and welcoming all week long. Extra tips for effortless cleaning. Use reminders. Set an alarm or keep a checklist to stay on track. Adjust tasks to your ability. Sit while folding laundry. Use a lightweight cordless vacuum or use cleaning tools with long handles to avoid bending. Break large tasks into tiny steps. Instead of cleaning an entire bathroom at once, wipe the mirror today, clean the sink tomorrow, and scrub the toilet the next day. Margaret, an 80-year-old widow, swears by her one task per day rule. She says, "By the time Sunday rolls around, my house is clean, and I barely even noticed I was cleaning." By keeping a consistent but effortless routine, you'll eliminate the stress of deep cleaning, save energy, and always enjoy a tidy home without the burden of overwhelming chores. Final thoughts on easier cleaning. So there you have it. 10 great shortcuts to make cleaning simpler and give you back your time and energy. Remember, keeping your home neat and clean doesn't require you to be overwhelmed or exhausted. By using these clever methods, you can maintain a tidy space, cut down on physical effort, and minimize strain on your body. These 10 low-impact cleaning strategies are specifically chosen to benefit seniors, individuals with mobility challenges, or anyone managing chronic pain. The goal is to encourage you to work smarter, not harder. The 10 simple solutions recapped. 1. Rinse dishes right away. Stops food from hardening and makes scrubbing unnecessary. 2. Use small product bottles, much lighter and easier to grip, which helps if you have arthritis. 3. Dust with microfiber cloths. Traps dust efficiently with less effort than standard cloths. 4. Clean with baking soda. A strong, natural, and chemical-free way to clean surfaces. 5. Pre-sort laundry with bins. Saves time and eliminates repeated bending. 6. Use a rolling laundry cart. Makes moving clothes to the washer painless. 7. Apply a light, dust-repellent spray. Helps surfaces stay cleaner longer, reducing how often you need to dust. 8. Break tasks into small blocks. Spreading chores throughout the week prevents one exhausting cleaning day. 9. Place small trash bins everywhere. Reduces unnecessary walking and heavy lifting. 10. Maintain a consistent schedule. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day keeps your home consistently tidy with minimal fatigue. You absolutely deserve to enjoy a clean home without the struggle. Even small adjustments can make a big difference in how you manage your space. Whether it's choosing better tools, adjusting your routine, or simply changing your approach, these hacks are here to help you save effort and energy. Which one of these cleaning tricks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this advice was useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips on home care and making life easier. Keep it simple, avoid the stress, and remember, you can absolutely do this.